All right, going to be taking a look at PGUS. It's been a while since we've looked at this one. Joe and I, the last time we went through this one together was already February 22nd. Wow, his time gone quick. We've went over this one the last time. It's going to be on March 17th is when the last time I looked at the chart. Again, at 0231, watch. In my opinion, chart is setting up for a move. Gap at 0215. So that was back again on March 17th right here. Where we can pin this right here. You guys did make that move. They were looking for 0231 all the way up to 0268. Not going to say that was a huge move, but it was better than going down, right? That being said, you guys came back down here, tested that support level right here. That support level is going to be closer to about the 2, where we get to open at here. The open 0225. Okay, 0225 would have been that support level. 0226 right there in that range. Ended up breaking through there, the 20 and 30 day. Those, again, the ones that we watch. With that being said, 0180 is going to be that support line, the major one that we're going to want to see hold, followed up by the resistance at 02 and 0226. You guys really getting tight together here as well. Let me point that out here at 0214. There we go. So look at on how tight this thing's getting. You can see the Bollinger Band starting to dive down. When you get that diving down and these right here holding steady, it's, less bigger movements, which is obviously better. Once those getting tight, more tight together, this can either break out up or down. As far as the move here, this one has made a lot of moves here. And as far as this one has gone, beautiful and stable, in my opinion. All right. Obviously, way over here, way up, all the way down to a penny, boom, way back up. Really a lot of massive moves between the 1 penny and the 3 cent mark as well. We're going to watch for the buying pressure to start picking up right now. 318,000 shares traded. The average volume for the last 20 days, around 709,000 shares. Breaking that 0226 would be a bullish move. And 0180 is going to need to hold. Getting very close. That's not too far off from 0197 to break that 0226. Hand it off to Joe when he's ready. I believe he said that this company had news as well.
Yeah, I'm seeing 2 press releases. There was one on May 1st and on May 3rd. So I'll just go to today's. It was Silomar topography reveals beneficial features and the master plan underway. First lot reservations. So ProGreen US Incorporated and is a U.S. company engaged primarily with investments in agriculture and real estate projects in Baja, Mexico, or Baja, California, Mexico, both through its joint venture partnerships with Immobiliaria Contel, so it's called Contel, and through its majority-owned Mexican subsidiary Procon Baja JV. So they got the website for that, Silomar Baja. So Procon is the developer of Silomar. It's a 5,000-acre oceanfront residential resort project in Baja, California. So with architects now actively working on Silomar master plan, Procon is pleased to communicate that the first offer for reservations of residential lots, total 30, so they have 30 lots, opened on April 11th, has achieved stronger than expected results at this early stage. As of today, the company has executed reservation agreements for 16 lots, representing a gross sales value of $1,180,000. 5 oceanfront lot reservations also include commitments for early building, representing an additional value of $1,500,000, assuming 500 square foot homes. With over half of the 30 lots now reserved, the first offer may already be closed within the month of May. So the topography plans of the Silomar site have been completed and are now posted on the development's website. These maps illustrate the terrain gradually ascending to an elevation of 250 feet within a mile of the shoreline, continuing to a high point of 900 feet. This provides for spectacular ocean views from a large portion of the development. In addition, the topography revealed a natural land cutout that could be suitable for building a more natural inland marina. So preliminary plans for the first execution phase include a marina, one of the 3 planned golf courses, upwards of 1.5 or 1,500 single-family home sites, as well as hotels, condominiums, sports facilities, bars, restaurants, shops, and other amenities. So it says for further details regarding the Silomar development can be found at the silomarbarha.com. So it's right at their website. I'm guessing that's where you can go see the map and everything else. That's their latest press release. They had one also on May 1st, and it was Contel completes operational development of first ProGreen farm. So that was, let's see, ProGreen. I'll skip through that. ProGreen is pleased to announce that Contel has completed the operational development of the first ProGreen farm, and we are now actively growing chili peppers destined for the U.S. market. So Contel obtained a 1.1 million USD contract with a major exporter to the U.S. for chili peppers to be grown on the first 100 acres, as announced in a press release on January 23rd, 2017. During the past months, Contel has been very active in its development and preparation of the land for the growing operations, with the final step of installing the drip irrigation, which has now been completed. With the planting process now well underway, we expect to have 60 to 100 acres completed with 1.4 million chili plants in the ground by the end of the week. And we are looking forward to beginning harvesting in July. So that's basically that. So, I mean, we did our first and only CEO interview with Jan, a few months ago, and he went over all this stuff right here. So now these are kind of, in a sense, to me, these are just updates on like everything he talked about actually, happening, I guess you could say. So I mean, you can go back and listen to that interview, because I mean, this guy's he's smart. I highly recommend that. And then if you want to do more due diligence on the company, just go right over to that PGUS board and basically go over the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. If you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting over there on that ProGreen US Incorporated board.
That's right. And all the stuff that Joe was talking about available here, completely free. Here's the time and sales. I know I talk about this one a lot. This is one of my personal favorites. You can really track it down. So again, a lot of sites charge you for this. We offer it completely free. So I definitely encourage you to check that out for the time and sales. 0197, resistance at 0204, 0214, and 0226. Support at 0195 and 0180. A break of 0226 would be bullish. Support at 0180 is a must hold. Those are going to be the two key points we're watching. Again, getting pretty tight here. Possible move coming here, but we got to watch for that 30-day simple moving average to break first to confirm. So if you follow the stock PGUS, make sure you check out that CEO Ask Me Anything when he came on with Jan that Joe was just talking about. It's over on YouTube. Definitely encourage you to check that out and get a lot of insight about the company as well, especially straight from the horse's mouth. PGUS, again, if you follow the stock, hit that like and subscribe button if you haven't, and share this video with all other investors on different social networks, stock message boards, and stock forums. The more you share it, the more it's requested, the more we will continue to cover it. That's how it works. And again, you can check us out live when we do these hot stocks live that you guys bring to us at investorshangout.com/live.